Tesla welcomes new CFO to replace Zach Kirkhorn. Tesla welcomes a new CFO to replace Zachary Kirkhorn. The post will be taken by Tesla Chief Accounting Officer, Vaibhav Taneja. Tesla announced changes in the leadership team. The company disclosed in the Form 8-K filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that, as of August 4, 2023, Tesla appointed Vaibhav Taneja as Chief Financial Officer in addition to his current role as Chief Accounting Officer. He will succeed Zachary Kirkhorn, who stepped down on August 4. Kirkhorn has been with the company for 13 years, the last 4 of which he has served as Master of Coin and Chief Financial Officer. Tesla noted that the company has achieved tremendous expansion and growth during his tenure. The manufacturer thanked Kirkhorn for his significant contribution. The executive will continue to work at Tesla until the end of the year to ensure a smooth transition. Prior to this appointment as CFO, Mr. Taneja, 45, served as Tesla's Chief Accounting Officer since March 2019, as Corporate Controller from May 2018, and as Assistant Corporate Controller between February 2017 and May 2018. Mr. Taneja served in various finance and accounting roles at Solar City Corporation from March 2016. Prior to that, Mr. Taneja was employed at PricewaterhouseCoopers in both India and the U.S. between July 1999 and March 2016, the company said. In a LinkedIn post, Kirkhorn wrote that he is proud of what Tesla has achieved. He thanked the company, its CEO Elon Musk, and the talented people working in it. This morning Tesla announced that I've stepped down from my role as Chief Financial Officer, succeeded by our Chief Accounting Officer, Vaibhav Taneja. Being a part of this company is a special experience and I'm extremely proud of the work we've done together since I joined over 13 years ago. As I shift my responsibilities to support this transition, I want to thank the talented, passionate, and hard-working employees at Tesla, who have accomplished things many thought not possible. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.